Okay, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. Today, I will discuss my topic about tank and raceway farms. Um, First is, as will evident from the preceding section, pan farms, although comparatively less expensive to construct and operate, are affected by too many external factors. Tank and raceway farms attempt to bring greater human control to operation and facilities highlight intensive farming. Okay, let's proceed to tank farms. First is tanks can made of concrete, fiberglass, marine plywood, metal, or other hard substance. Muna siya na ang tank kuno gikan kuno sa kung dapat concrete ka kung maghimo og tank. Example tank farms, example sa fish pan nimo dapat magnaay mga naay maghimo kag example anang fish panda sa ato ang SNSU ingana dapat simento siya. Okay. Only durable materials for tank construction as in light, strong, and inert to fresh and salt water. Ano kabasa man tao. Klaro na ang nakabutang dapat kuno kay ligon ang atong tank farm. It can be molded into most desired shapes and strongest intention loading, which is usually the stress, experience, and secular in shape. Third is, beside of being easy to assemble and install, the water supply drainage in such as tanks, water supply and drainage and organized. Una siya. And the and the and the fourth is the outflow is usually screened by vertical or cylindrical plastic metal mesh by required size. Dapat imo susukdon ang mga ilang size ang maghimo og fish pond. Okay, next. An outer tank farms are made of cement concrete. O nanan nakabutang dapat made na siya o sa cement concrete, mga semento. And the next is an outer tank farm are made in fiberglass. Naiuban no, nag-fiberglass ang mga fish pond, bagtik kayo ni. And third is an indoor tank farm tanks are made of plastic of cover metal. Oh, cover metal na nakakita man siguro mo sa picture. 'Di ba? Mana siya. First is many variations on the arrangement of the water supply system and protective devices are possible in circular tank farms, including regular aeration and recirculation excuse me, of water where necessary. Circular cement concrete tanks in Chinese fish breeding farms and water inlet. Nozzles arranged on the wall. Circular tanks used for catfish culture in USA, up to 6 m in diameter and 80 cm deeper. Diba? Lim-lim, taas-taas pa din eh. Second is rectangular tanks are also used and they are approximate in 8 meter long, 1 wide and 75 centimeter deep. Ay, okay. Third is rectangular tank is the easier to harvest fish from a circular tank, in which case they are made slightly smaller with a length of 4.5 6 centimeters, width of 1.5 or 1.8, deep of 40 to 45 centimeter, can be arranged indoors and it should be possible. Okay, fourth is, as mentioned earlier, tank can be built different materials and different shapes, sides, um, through not very common. There are large cement concrete tanks, 200 to 30 in area used for rearing salmon, trout, shrimp, or etc. Second is, essentially, it is deep tank with water pump down the center through a pipe. Water flows upward in the culture tank. Morning. Okay. Third is circular tanks in Chinese fish. Breeding station and inlet nozzles, arrow marks on the walls show their position ensure proper water circulation. Kita man ta sa picture na nag-circulate sila. Diba? Second is, a tank farm with cement concrete rectangular tanks arranged on the side of the water supply system. Note the rates on the side of the tanks for transporting feed and the silos on the right for feed storage. Nagkuhan sila nag-feed and transporting. Okay, next is recirculating of aquaculture tank production system. First is traditional aquaculture in pans required the ability of large quantities of water, approximately of 9,350 millimeter or meter, right, of water per hectares, and required to fill the pond and make up for evaporation and seepage during a year, assuming an annual yield of 5,600 kilogram per year. Oh, dako ba din, no? Year approximate 3.33 m3 of water is required per kilograms of fish production. Second is growing fish in tank and raceways using environment control through water treatment and circulation has been attempted in selected areas with high initial capital cost of compared to the earthen ponds carrying capacities of tank system must also be high to provide for cost effectively with fish production. Next is, however, in the special high values niche markets such as gourmet food, year-round production of fresh produce of recirculating system find an advantage. Thank you and God bless, ma'am. Wala to ako report, ma'am. Thank you. Prepared by Samtina, ma'am. John Leonard T. Thank you. God bless, ma'am.